and welcome back to Tanvi's Creations. So let's see how I painted the plastic pots. Here I have used the Asian paints enamel, that is oil paint, to paint on the pots, and the enamel paint gives the glossy look to the pots as comparatively to the acrylic colors. Oil paints are more durable than the acrylic colors. Here on the second pot I have painted with the another color, that is red color, which is also a oil paint, that is Asian enamel. This is our third pot. In the first pot I have made some floral patterns. Going to paint with the acrylic colors. ऑयल पेंट पर एक्रेलिक कलर्स पेंट करने पर ये थोड़ा सा ट्रांसपेरेंट लगता है, इसीलिए आपको डबल कोट देना पड़ेगा. कुछ प्लास्टिक पॉट्स पर पहले से ही डिज़ाइन रहता है, तो मैं इस पे वही डिज़ाइन पर पेंट कर रही हूँ विद एक्रेलिक कलर्स. अपने हाथों से कुछ न कुछ क्रिएटिव करने से आई फील फ्रेश एंड एनर्जेटिक एंड बिजी फॉर द होल डे. इस पॉट पर मैंने वर्ली आर्ट किया है. यू कैन यूज स्केल टू गेट नीट फिनिश. Here I have used white acrylic color, and after drying, as I had told, I will double coat with acrylic color. This is after double coat. As you can see, it gives neat and clean look, and white and red color both complement each other. Here I have planted a snake plant. Please do like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And let me know which pot you like the most in comment section. Here I have planted 2 baby snake plants and 1 snake plant cutting. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel.